Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. In nucleophilic substitution, SN2 versus elimination, E2 competition, the nature of the base nucleophile and the substrate determine the outcome. For a primary alkyl halide like CH3, CH2Br, SN2 is generally favored because there is little steric hindrance at the carbon bearing the leaving group. However, the choice of base also matters. A bulky base favors elimination, E2, over substitution, SN2, because steric hindrance prevents it from attacking the carbon backside, directing it instead to abstract a proton. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. CH3, CH2Br is a primary alkyl bromide, ethyl bromide. Primary substrates strongly favor SN2 over E2 because the carbon is unhindered. Moving on to the next step. CH3CH2OK, sodium-potassium ethoxide, in DMSO. Ethoxide is a relatively small, non-bulky nucleophile base. DMSO is a polar aprotic solvent that enhances nucleophilicity by not solvating the nucleophile. With a small nucleophile and a primary substrate, SN2 substitution is strongly favored. This combination will yield a greater amount of substitution product, CH3CH2OCH2CH3, diethyl ether. And for the final step, CH3, 3COK, potassium tert-butoxide, in DMSO. Tert-butoxide is a very bulky base. Even though DMSO is a polar aprotic solvent that would normally favor nucleophilic attack, the extreme steric bulk of tert-butoxide prevents efficient backside attack on carbon. Instead, it preferentially abstracts a beta proton, favoring E2 elimination to give ethylene, CH2 is equal to CH2. Thus, reagent B gives more elimination than substitution. Compare. Reagent A with the smaller, less hindered ethoxide gives significantly more SN2 substitution than reagent B with bulky tert-butoxide. Why other options fail? Option B alone, tert-butoxide is too bulky and favors elimination with the primary substrate, giving less substitution. Option C, the two reagents do not give comparable amounts of substitution. Ethoxide gives much more substitution than tert-butoxide. Option D, ethoxide in DMSO clearly gives substitution, so this is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.